Did you know the secret to better health could be brewing in your kitchen? Say goodbye to store-bought and hello to homemade apple cider vinegar, packed with probiotics and free from hidden additives. Welcome to Home and Haven Living. Today I'll show you how to make your own apple cider vinegar at home. Before we dive in, please remember to like, share and subscribe. It's simple, affordable, and way healthier than anything you'll find on store shelves. Plus, I'll share why homemade is a game changer for your health and wallet. Let's dive in. Store-bought apple cider vinegar often contains preservatives and is pasteurized, which means many of the natural enzymes and probiotics are lost. But why opt for homemade? Homemade apple cider vinegar is raw, unfiltered, and teeming with beneficial bacteria that can boost your digestion, immunity, and more. Plus, it's free from added sugar and unnecessary chemicals. To get started, you'll need organic apples, you can use the scraps if you like. Filtered water. Sugar or honey. A large sterilized glass jar. Cheesecloth and a rubber band. Super simple, right? Let's look at the instructions. 1. Cut the apples in quarters, adding the scraps if you like. Fill your jar about 3/4 full. Make sure to wash the apples first to remove any dirt and ensure your jar is sterilized. 2. Next, pour filtered water over the apples until they're fully submerged. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar to kickstart fermentation. 3. Then cover the jar with a cheesecloth and secure it with a rubber band. This allows air to flow while keeping bugs out. 4. Let it sit in a dark, warm spot for 1 to 2 weeks, stirring daily to prevent mold. After a few days, you'll start to notice bubbles forming. After the initial 2 weeks, stir the mixture every few days for the next 2 weeks. 5. Then after about a month, strain out the apple pieces and pour the liquid back into the jar. Cover again and let it ferment for another 3 to 4 weeks, stirring occasionally. 6. Once it tastes tangy and vinegary, your apple cider vinegar is ready. Store it in a glass bottle and enjoy the benefits. Pro tip. If you leave your ACV for longer, you'll start to notice the mother forming. This can be used to create future apple cider vinegar batches in the future. What are the benefits? Homemade apple cider vinegar is full of probiotics, which supports gut health and digestion. Acetic acid, which helps regulate blood sugar and boosts metabolism. Antioxidants, which protects your body from free radicals. Excited to try this out? Let us know in the comments if you're ready to make your own apple cider vinegar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DIY wellness tips. Let's make your kitchen a hub for natural living. Thanks for watching. Remember, your health starts with simple, natural choices. See you next time for more home and haven living tips.